This is Web Technology Lab exercise number 6, and in this exercise we are going to see JavaScript where we use our timer functions and objects. There are set of questions that are given here. The first one is to display a digital clock, and the second one is to change the background color, and the next question is to create event handlers that will increase the font size when a mouse moves over a paragraph. And then the next one is to move a car using the timer function. And then the last one is to display the array of objects. So now let's see how these are gonna work. So let's see the codings for these. So initially the first one was to create a digital clock. So here as usual we have opened the HTML tag, head tag. Then in here we have created a function called display, where we have declared variables called d, h, m and s, and the date is the date function is being given to it. And right below it there's another function called background. The same way you can see here there are different colors given over here, and functions called math.flow and math.random are being called, and using this the background can be dynamically changed. So let's see how the output of these two looks like. So when we run the program, this is how it works. The digital clock, as you can see here, the time is being displayed here. As of now the time is 22:16:58 seconds, and here we can see a dynamic background. Here the moment we click on change background, you can see the background color changes. Again when we click, the background color again changes. So this is how we can dynamically change that background. Now let's get back to the code, and now we have written another function where when we get the cursor towards the string, the size of it will increase, and then when we retrieve back the cursor, it again shrinks back. So the code for that is we have created two functions, and we have given the size to be changed. And then the next one is a moving car. We have initially given a function called animate, and we have given the image, and then how it needs to be how the position has to be changed accordingly. And then we have another function called pick move, and in this function we have given the set timeout and the function. So using this our car will keep moving, and then there's another function to stop the car, that is pick stop, where the clear timeout happens. Then we have another function called function student, which will actually display the names of the students, and it will have an array of student details, and it will display that student details. So now here in the body what we are doing is we have given many buttons, and we have given the the picture, that is the car picture, and when the function needs to be evoked. Now let's see how the output looks like. So as you can see here, when the mouse is taken over here, that is mouse cursor over me to zoom in, and when we take it out, it zooms off, zoom in and zoom out. Now this is a moving car. The moment I say start car, the car starts moving, as you can see over here, and the moment I say stop car, the car stops. And again when I say start car, the car again starts moving from its position, and again it stops. Now the list of student details are being displayed. So the moment I say get details, the details of the students are being displayed, as you can see over here. So this is the end of the program. All the outputs are being showed. Thank you.